to part 2 of the Rapamycin Secret. Today we're diving into the daily protocol used by longevity researchers. There's a drug designed to prevent organ transplant rejection, but longevity scientists are using it to extend healthy lifespan in mammals by roughly 10 to 20%. And here's the twist. They take it only once a week. Everyone thinks longevity means extreme supplements or biohacking. But researchers studying rapamycin say longevity is timing, dosage, and consistency, not complexity. The core conflict lies inside every cell in your body, controlled by a master regulator called mTOR. mTOR is the, quote, growth signal. Too high means faster aging, inflammation, and cancer risk. We want controlled pulses for repair and longevity. Rapamycin temporarily tells the body, stop growing, start repairing, creating necessary windows for cellular cleaning and recycling damaged proteins. The real question is how to create these repair windows safely. Rapamycin isn't like vitamins. It is powerful and prescription only. Therefore, the protocol matters immensely. Real researchers stress 3 rules. First, pulse, don't flood. Second, monitor, don't guess. And third, stack habits, not hype. This isn't just about living longer. It's about staying independent, clear-minded, and pain-free as you age. That is the ultimate emotional goal. Here is the core protocol structure used in longevity research, the weekly switch method. The protocol involves a short activation to lower mTOR, followed by a long recovery window for autophagy, repair, and mitochondrial cleanup. This weekly cycle provides controlled stress. A daily cycle, however, would result in excessive suppression, which is why weekly dosing is preferred. Research shows rapamycin extends lifespan in mice, even when started late, and improves cardiac function and vitality in dogs. But rapamycin works best when paired with daily longevity habits. Now let's dive into part 2, the daily protocol. This is a demonstration of what longevity researchers include around their weekly rapamycin dosing. Daily component number 1 is low glycemic eating, low sugar, to let autophagy run freely. Component number 2 is time-restricted eating, typically 8 to 10 hours eating and 14 to 16 hours fasting, which amplifies cellular cleanup. Component 3 is walking 10 to 15 minutes after meals to lower glucose spikes. And component 4 is low-intensity zone 2 cardio, like brisk walking, to increase mitochondrial density. Daily protein timing must be moderate and spaced out. Component 6 involves stacking polyphenols like resveratrol and green tea, which mimic fasting. Finally, component 7, prioritize sleep, as deep sleep is the ultimate cellular maintenance mode. A 64-year-old researcher at the Buck Institute, following this weekly protocol with daily habits, saw improved glucose control, better inflammatory markers, and more energy. Not a miracle, just consistency. Longevity is not something you take, it's something you schedule. The weekly mTOR reset combined with daily cleanup habits is the framework many experts follow. Comment part 3 feet if you want the expert stack overview.